With a background in material engineering, I work extensively in energy storage technologies with a deep expertise in battery cell chemistry and manufacturing. Joining Cellectric gave me the opportunity to apply my skill set to different fields, which is great. And also at Cellectric, my focus is on ensuring that our manufacturing processes are of the highest efficiency and best quality, all while driving innovation in the production of microfluidic devices for life science application. At Cellectric, we are pioneering advancement in biotechnology with our technology, which is designed for the continuous processing of cell suspensions. By leveraging specialized electric signals, we can selectively target and separate specific cells, and this significantly accelerate diagnostic processes like sepsis detection, for instance. This not only improves the purity of positive samples, but also enhance significantly the compatibility with growth-based pathogen detection technologies. Additionally, our technology can be seamlessly integrated with existing medical tools, eliminating the need for a hospital to invest in new equipment. As a result, clinicians can achieve faster and more accurate diagnosis, which leads to improve the patient outcomes. While our initial focus was on sepsis, our goal has changed due to the expansion of our technological platform, to be used in other applications across the medical field, which we hope that will make the treatment more efficient and effective. Cellectric is based in Vienna, and the reason is that Vienna is an excellent biotech landscape with a rich ecosystem of innovation and also robust governmental programs as well as funding opportunities. Beyond the business advantages, Vienna is consistently ranked one of the best cities in the world thanks to its high quality of life, excellent public services and vibrant cultural scene. The combination of all these factors makes Vienna not only a great place to do business, but also to live and work. Along these lines, we are very grateful at Cellectric for all the strong support that we receive throughout the years by different funding agencies, including FFG, AWS, and Vienna Business Agency. Without these immense resources, we could not have fueled our R&D activities and efforts, but also scale up operations and hopefully have a products in the market. What else I would like to mention, because we should not forget LISAvienna. LISAvienna activities actually facilitates and expand our connections with global partners, investors, and other collaborators, thanks to the excellent organization of trade shows and conferences, where allows for a fantastic platform to forge valuable relationships that actually only drive our business forward. If you would like to know anything else about Cellectric, I invite you to go and check our website and our LinkedIn activities, but we also would like to mention here that we are very proud to be the Austrian finalist of the World Startup Competition, where our CEOs will be pitching in Silicon Valley during the first week of October. We expect also to be attending to more fairs and conferences in the latest part of the year, so stay tuned about more details of what's coming at Cellectric. Thank you very much.